for the offense of felon in possession of a firearm. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. You're on regular probation. Did you understand that the court could sentence you up to 3 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Sanchez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion, and the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. The court will give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain, you're welcome. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. I see that I'm the one who set your conditions, and part of the conditions I set for you was CPS compliance and parenting classes because you had children, and treatment for your drug issues. You haven't been successful in this probation. Let me tell you something. When you get out of prison, do not go, if your family member has custody of your children, do not go knocking on their door trying to take over and be a parent. Because let me just tell you, if Child Protective Services has said that we're giving your children to your relative and you show up and you live there, you're going to be opening your children up to be removed from that location. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And I think you would agree with me that at this stage in your life, you're not the best of parents for your children, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you go to the jail, and I will ask for therapeutic community for her, you want to extend length of time you are at the prison. But when you go there, you need to take advantage of all of the treatment they have available. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And when you get out of jail, the immediate thing you should do is not call your children, not call who has your children, but you should be finding a rehab treatment facility. And they have them here throughout town and they're free. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm going to add therapeutic community for her. All right. Good luck to you.
Ma'am, does that keep my the bank back time and all that?
You get credit for any time that you've been in custody.
And what about the authorized the vehicle on the other
I'm
count?
sorry, what?
The other charge I have in the other count.
No, I'm not in charge of that. I'm just in charge of what is here. Okay.
Norma just said it's 229 days.
Okay. She'll receive credit for that.
Yes, thank you. And now, if you excuse me.
Yes, you may. Always a pleasure seeing you. Have a good one.
Judge. Always.